everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 10th to the 14th of May 2021 on Monday. Herod plans to make Hector pay for his betrayal. Sianda and the Corner House crew can't believe how quickly the wedding turned sour on Tuesday. Thando and Shaka has a very heated altercation. Vuyiswa struggled to come to terms with the latest family tragedy, and the Make uncles make things worse on Wednesday. Harriet catches Hector in a trap while Shaka has Thando in a trap of his own. Vuyiswa prepares to take the Make uncles on Thursday. Hector starts to fear for his daughter's life as he realizes he's been exposed. Petronella joins the fight against the Make uncles on Friday. Vuyiswa stills herself to deal with the latest heartbreak. Goodness wants her family out of the Khoza house. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.